Today I have a service call in this office building that there is no heat on this unit. So here I can see that my unit is on the on position. I notice here that my vent motor is running, but there is no heat. There's no heat. So again, the purpose of the call is that there is no heat in this office area, and this is the unit to that office, and the make of the unit is Trane. So this is a Trane combo heating and cooling unit. As you can see, this is model number and information, but it's all blotted away, so it's aging. So I'm going to open it and see why there is no heat, and we'll figure it out, and we'll see why there is no heat on this unit. Thank you. Okay, so I open up the electrical panel section. This is my electrical panel, and then the compressor, and here is my vent motor. Here's my burner. So again, when I came in here, the vent motor was just coming on, but there's no heat. So I opened it up, and what I noticed was a flash code. Okay, the flash was going 4 times, 4 flashes from the control board. I wanted to show to my viewer what that 4 flashes is. So I was trying to look for the code to be able to show it to my viewer, but I couldn't see it written on it. So I opened up this end and checked my air filter, though my filter is a bit dirty, not to cause a problem of high limit switch or temperature cutoff. So I opened up the manual I was going to check, and then immediately I noticed that the vent motor went off. So, and why would the vent motor went off? I think it's a result of that it cut off on high limit. So it means it was too hot and then it cut off. So I waited for a few seconds, the vent motor kicked in, and when the vent motor kicked in, then there was a spark and there was a flame, and then the flame sensor hold. So they will hold for a couple minutes, say up to like 5 minutes, and I was expecting the blower motor to kick in. So I'll show you the blower motor in a bit. So here you can see the blower motor and the blower wheel and the bed is all in there, and then I try to spin it. Yeah, it spins very well. So, and then while I waited for about 5 minutes while the vent motor was running, the heat was on, I didn't see my blower motor kick in. So that works for more than 5 minutes, and then the unit again kick off. So I think I will say that is one problem that I'm going to look into. I think there's a problem either with the motor, or if there's any connection to the motor. I'm going to open this blower section and I'm going to look at it. So meanwhile, I'm going to shut off the unit to be able to trace my electrical wire to the blower motor, and then we'll see what's going on there, if this motor is totally burnt out, or if there's any electrical issue with the wiring to the blower motor. So again, I'm going to keep you posted. Again, this is Trane Rooftop heating and cooling unit. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, just to keep you up to date, so what I did here, I put a jumper between my arrow and W, which is heat, and 24. So again, my vent motor kick in. Okay, so I have my vent motor kick in, and I will want to see what's going on. So I have opened this place. I want to see if I have my power coming in here by the time the heat comes on. But I also jump it to my G, but I don't know why my fan hasn't really kicked in, but we're gonna see. Okay, so just want to give you an update to the findings so far. So to my finding, this blower motor is okay, and the heating system here is okay. So the problem here is this control board that is not sending the signal to make this contactor to energize, and then the blower motor to come on when there's a call, when the heating system is running. So we need to get this control board replaced, and that should fix the problem. So please subscribe to HVAC mechanical systems for all your heating, cooling, and ventilation. Again, this is a place for offices and shops. Plaza here. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you.